Alright guys, let's go ahead and turn this down a little bit so that way. I think it's 5 a.m. on a Saturday. I'm heading to the shop so I can get some work done. I think that one's recording now too. We got the unit and radar detector, the N-gauge, and basically, yeah. Figured I'd do maybe we'll do a pull here in a sec. Getting the stereo still all dialed on this thing so I can you know, get some killer stereo tunes here. But so far, man, this car's been awesome. Runs great. Haven't had any issues with it, so everything's working good. Engaged, everything's reading good. It's pretty cold out, so I don't know how my traction will do. Let's see if we can get on this highway. Slow here. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Ready? I forgot I wasn't even in drag mode. Dang it. I was in regular mode. Dang it. I hate when that happens. Radar detector saying overspeeding. So there you go, that's a little bit better hit. Car goes pretty good, boys and girls, that's for sure. Turn the heater on, it's cold. We'll do one more. I don't have the draggy on me, so I can't tell you exactly how fast I was going, but you guys can see on film. I'll do one more for you guys here in a sec. Slap it over into select shift. I'll turn the light on for you guys so you can see. So you slap it over into select shift. So there's drive, select shift, right? So right now it's probably in 10th gear. And then what you do is you downshift, 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 downshift. Ready? 60 miles an hour. It's flying. That's stock. Wait till I put an odin on this thing. With fucking 8 pounds of boost. What do you think it's gonna do then? It's gonna be scary fast. Yeah. So it's a bad bitch, that's for sure. But look at how good these headlights work. These are those real fancy LEDs that are like super expensive, but man, they work good. And then I gutted the fog light portion of them. So basically I had I've added probably 100 pounds of sound deadening on the car, which made a massive difference. It's so much quieter. I do need to do the roof though. That'll be the next thing I do, is I'll probably put, you know, a couple slaps on the roof just to make the roof a little less tinnier, and then from there I think I'll just leave it alone. I'm happy with it. You know, I don't want it to be too heavy. It's gonna already be super heavy with the blower and stuff. Okay, so let's make sure we're in park. Let's go over here real quick. We're gonna catch up on him real quick. Okay, ready? Let's do a little quick burnout. Let's see if we can get traction here. Stall up. This car is fast, and it hooked. Not perfect, but it hooked. That's impressive. That's fucking impressive, dude. That was impressive. Holy shit. That was impressive. Wow. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Bait where you have to have oil pump gears cracks me up. Oh, you gotta have the oil pump gears. Without oil pump gears, it's gonna fucking blow. It's like, no, I know guys making fucking a million passes without oil pump gears, and they're fine. But, you know, of course I'll be the one guy that it happens to, right? So, I don't know. Maybe I'll do the oil pump gears, who knows? Get this thing pulled in. Like I said before, guys, I have this N-gauge on a Y splitter, so that's why sometimes it doesn't like to connect. That was a 10-second pass, guaranteed. I wish I'd have had the draggy on me. That fucking car was booking. Tires on, and now I feel confident in the car again. With this cold temp, it's a ripper right now, but I got us a little surprise, guys. I had somebody pop up with a little something I was looking at buying maybe, and it was a screaming deal, so I just said fuck it and did it. Did I need it? No. Did I do it anyways? You bet your ass. All right, I'm gonna gun this thing and see what happens here. Woo! It's flying. Jesus. This thing is flying. Holy moly. That's impressive. Whoa, shit. This car is fast, just NA, guys. You put a blower on this thing and it's gonna be absolutely scary as shit. It's a fast car. Wow. That's all I gotta say is wow. This car is fast. To me, most people motherfuckers think it's slow. Oh, that's just quick. 1,000 horsepower. You gotta have a fucking 1,000 real horsepower if you ain't fucking quick. Oh my god, this thing must have 1,000,000 horsepower. No, it's a stock fucking motor. You know, 1,000 wheel is insane. That's like one stock fucking BMW shit going on there. Me personally, I'm good with, you know, 650 wheel. I think that's enough for my balls can handle. Other than that, yeah, I got too small of balls, you know what I mean? So seems to be okay. No check engine lights. Everything seems to be doing good. IATs are 102. Voltage is good. Cameras are on. All right, guys, let's go inside. I'm going to show you guys what I just got. All right. Yeah. So, okay, let's get inside the shop and I'll show you guys what we got going on. But yeah, I replaced those old ass shitty tires with the Mickey Thompson drag radials, and they hook so much better. Blower. Technically it's a Loki, but the head units are identical. VMP supercharger kit 2018 plus, and then it comes with the carb number, which is nice. This comes with 56-pound injectors, 3.5 pulley. We'll run these injectors with my single pump and a boosted pump for now with my stock throttle body. Should make 600, 650 wheel, and then we'll go ahead and we'll add a dual blade throttle body. I'm already gonna go with the best heat exchanger money can buy and all that other stuff right away. Full paint, 5.0 5-speed, when it was original, with black interior car, 1,500 of these made, or $1,595 with this paint and trim code. And then we've got Weld RTS wheels, 17x5s in the front with the ATS Brembos, and then stock Cobra brakes with 11, I think 7.5 rears. Not a big impressed with the ATS Brembos, but maybe, you know, some better pads and better rotors might change that, or I'm just gonna swap them out with some 8-piston K-Sport brakes. But we got the Gen 3 Coyote. I mean, I've had 14 Foxbodies my whole life, and I've never had a black interior car. Basically JLT, Lund tune, I've got gas and E85 tune. And other than that, it's got long tubes, 3-inch X. The Weld wheels, fronts are a 185 55 17. The rears are on a 26-inch 11.5 15 bias ply slick. But if you want to see some headlights, these are a game changer, you guys. Okay, that's the headlights and the fog lights. Okay, so you can see how bright they're going to get here in a second. The bottom, so I took and gutted the fogs. So the fogs are technically just headlights at this point. You want down? Ow, okay, you can get down. Okay, so the tops are LEDs, but they're smoked. And then I PPF'd the bottoms and put 35 watt HIDs. No reason for 55. And man, it's so bright. Like, you can see the line is so much better. Now watch these high beams too. The best headlights I've ever had in a Foxbody ever. Look at the high beams. Oops, sorry. Regular, high beams. Look at that. Like, I've had HIDs, I've had everything, not even in the same league. But these are extremely expensive. They're like $285, $300 for the headlights. And then the HIDs were like another $100.